Welcome back to the channel. If you love air frying but are honestly tired of dealing with mystery chemical coatings, bulky plastic baskets, and having to transfer your leftovers into a million different plastic containers, you are in the right place. Today we are looking at an absolute revolution in countertop cooking, the Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in one glass air fryer in this gorgeous, modern bone finish. This is a complete rethink of how we cook, serve, and store food, and it is a total game changer for health-conscious homes. Let's address the big elephant in the kitchen: traditional air fryer baskets. Over time, those non-stick coatings can scratch and peel. Ninja completely solves this by ditching the plastic and metals for heavy-duty, premium clean crisp borosilicate glassware. It is completely non-toxic, 100% PFAS-free, PTFE-free, and BPA-free. This means you can air fry your favorite foods with zero worry about forever chemicals bleeding into your meals. Plus, because it's clear glass and has a beautifully illuminated countertop design, you can actually watch your food crisp up in real time without constantly pulling open a drawer and losing all your heat. The versatility of the system is where things get wild. It features an 1800-watt adjustable modular base that fits multiple container sizes. Out of the box, you get a massive 6-quart glass container that is large enough to roast a whole 7.5-pound chicken to feed up to 10 people. For smaller weeknight sides, midday snacks, or personal meals, you can swap it right out for the included 2.5-quart container. It features 6 customizable functions: max crisp, air fry, bake/proof, roast, recrisp, and dehydrate, reaching a blistering maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit to lock in juices and get that perfect crunch. But Ninja didn't just stop at cooking. They engineered this glassware to be completely thermal shock resistant. You can take a dish straight out of the freezer, lock it onto the base, and go from frozen to crispy in minutes, without the glass cracking. The containers feature permanently fixed, heat-safe feet, so you can take the hot glass straight from the air fryer and set it directly on your granite, quartz, or wooden dining table to use as a serving dish. Finished with dinner? Just snap on the included leak-proof, airtight storage lids and put the container right into the fridge or microwave later. When it's time to clean up, the glass containers and accessories are completely dishwasher safe. It is literally one dish to cook, serve, store, reheat, and clean. If you are ready to completely elevate your kitchen aesthetic with this stunning bone finish, upgrade to a non-toxic lifestyle, and slash your dishwashing time in half, you need this in your life. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know what you think about glass air frying, and I will see you in the next video.